Yoga is far beyond what we often see as postures or breath work. This is only the tip of the iceberg. The true essence of yoga lies much deeper. In fact, one of the most profound definition of yoga is Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha, given in ancient text Yoga Sutras by Patanjali. It means yoga is the calming or mastery of the fluctuation of the mind. See, our mind is constantly moving, jumping between past regrets, future worries, comparisons, fears, desires, and endless thoughts. These mental waves are called vrittis, and most of us are not truly experiencing life directly. We are only experiencing our thoughts about life. For example, someone praises us, mind becomes excited. Someone criticizes us, mind becomes disturbed. Social media comparisons and insecurity rises. Future uncertainties, anxiety develops. The outer event may last for a moment, but the mind keeps replaying and repeating and constantly hitting us with these thoughts. This continuous disturbance exhausts the nervous system and steals our inner peace. Yoga teaches that suffering is not always from the situation itself, but from uncontrolled mental fluctuations around the situation, and we all agree with this. Through breath awareness, meditation, ethical living, mindful action, self discipline, and deep self observation, the mind slowly becomes steady and clear. This is why yoga is far beyond physical postures. The postures are only one small tool to prepare the body and nervous system so the mind can eventually become calm, aware, and balanced. Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha ultimately reminds us that real freedom is not controlling the world outside, but learning to bring harmony within. Think again. Today, many of us are constantly checking off the tasks, chasing achievement, and maintaining polished appearances for the world to see. Yet, deep within, there is often restlessness, anxiety, and discontentment, even after reaching our goals. Why? Because somewhere along the way, we disconnected from ourselves. Modern life has trained us to appear successful outwardly. But yoga reminds us that every thought, every emotions, every actions leaves an energetic imprint on our body and mind. When the mind is constantly overstimulated, the nervous system remains in survival mode, making peace feel distant no matter how much we achieve externally. Awareness is the key thing that yoga teaches and truly cultivates. The moment awareness enters our actions, life shifts from mechanical living to conscious living.